Hello friends, how are you all? I'm fine. I'll I initiated to write a book on electric traction and better to start with basic electricity. Though you can understand DC, it is unidirectional current, it is not alternating, means not changing its direction from positive to negative it is flowing. But AC is somewhat complicated. We are confused with this AC system. But what is AC? We know that when a conductor will cut the magnetic flux and it will change, the magnetic flux will change, a conductor will move, a induced EMF will be induced, and it depends, the magnitude depends on the number of turns and with the rate of change of this flask. So what we are doing, we may fix the coil and rotate the magnet, or we may fix the magnet, rotate the coil. Both the cases, the changes will occur. Now, if you take one coil, when it will be under the influence of N or North Pole, and it will move, then there will be changes, and the South slowly will come to its place. So in this situation, the induced EMF and current will be in one direction. If you complete the circuit with a load, the output is connected with a load, the direction of current will be one direction. But if you again move the south pole from that end to the after rotation, it will came to the original position, then the direction of current of the load will be changed. This is AC alternating, because it is one time it is under the influence of North Pole and next it is the influence of South Pole. Due to these changes, north is going to south, it will be one direction, and again south will come to the place of north, then again its original position. So these changes the coil experiencing, and for the first half cycle, if it is in one direction, the next half cycle the direction of the load current will be changed. And in three-phase system, we are using three windings 120-degree electrically apart from each other, and the magnet is rotating in alternator. So each coil is facing the influence of north and south pole time to time. In what rotation, the full cycle is 360 degree. One cycle is 360 degree, full 360 degree. But if the north pole in the red phase, then between red north and south there will be the blue phase, and from south to north it will be the yellow phase. So this is the angle difference, and the angle of the induced EMF is 120-degree apart. So this three-phase system is coming, and when it is in north, influence of north pole, and coming in south pole is coming, the flow of direction of current will be one direction, and then again from when it is under south pole and coming to the influence of north pole, the direction will change. This is the AC alternating system, alternating current system. It must be clear. So this is the source, this is the main thing, power supply. This is the main thing. Now, after the power supply, because we know we need isolation system as well as we have to connect with some load. We know electricity without resistance, without impedance, it will reach infinity. Huge, enormous current will flow. So we need some resistance impedance as a load so that it can be restricted to a certain limit. After that, the supply system will be withdrawn. Withdrawn means power supply will be switched off automatically by relay or by some fuse or some by other means MCB, MCCB. This is the system. Isolation is the first. Suppose you know to drive the scooty but you don't know how to stop it. This is the case of mine. A boy has given me the scooty. It is in running. It is in charge condition. I drove the scooty, but the engine is not stopping. I don't know how to stop the engine. Simply to rotate the key. It is not in my knowledge. So that is the system. First, you know how to stop it, how to isolate it. Because electricity is harmful for our human body, even fatal, and even may cause death. So we need isolation system. And with this isolation system, we need earthing. Why earthing? Because electricity have the induction effect. Induction effect. And if the voltage is more, the induction will be more. If the parallel run with the source supply is more, the induction will be more. So to provide safeguard for this induction voltage and everything, the surrounding non-current carrying metallic parts will also be bonded. Bonded means all the inductive voltage will be directed to return to the neutral to the source. This is bonding. And what is earthing? There is a difference. Mainly the inductive effect or leakage current or any other possibility, mainly on the non-current current pass due to induction, it must be all bonded. Bonded means it will be in a loop condition so that it will return to its source if it is harmful enough. Not harmful enough, all these leakage current and non-concurrent metallic parts induction effect all to be directed to the source. And this earthing, what is earthing? Earthing means the electricity supply, if we come in contact with the earth part or non-concurring metallic parts around it, like electric iron, its body has touched the phase. So if it is not connected with the earth system, you will get shock. You will get shock because the rule of the electricity to flow in the easiest part, which is low resistive. Your body resistance is more than this earthing portion. Earth means to keep it in a earth potential nearly 0 volt. Nearly 0 volt means all this leakage current everything will flow to this earth because its path is very easy for electricity in comparison to other thing. Is a good conductor. This earthing system must be connected with the good conductor. so that current will easily flow to the source. Another thing is every circuit will follow its own circuit. Suppose a transformer has two windings, primary and secondary. Primary will sense the primary circuit, that means from where it has got supply to its winding, it will sense that thing. But secondary, from its secondary coil to the output where he has given that circuit, it will sense. So transformer is dividing this electrical system into two circuits, primary and secondary. There is no electrical connection between primary and secondary, but magnetically they are linked with each other. Magnetically they are linked with each other. So this is the basic conception. Somewhat step by step I will discuss all these things. Thank you, friends.